Hey everybody, these are the instructions for Monday, April 27th for a web page design. Today what we're going to do is we're going to finish up the step-by-steps. We actually only have a couple pages left in chapter 5, and then we're going to start the reinforcement activities. I'm going to go through the apply your knowledge reinforcement activity with you. We'll do that together, and then today you guys are going to work on extend and make it right on your own. Don't forget to save screenshots of these pages into a Word document and then save it until tomorrow, because tomorrow you're going to be working on the pets pages. There's 2 for pets, and then you're going to turn all of it in together on Tuesday. Okay, so let's go ahead and switch over to Dreamweaver. All right, so we left off on page 404, and the last thing we need to do is to add a link from the index page to the Aniakchak National Monument page. Okay, so I'm going to collapse my files panel. I'm going to scroll down here, and we're going to add another link in here. Okay, so we're going to open up, sorry, we need to go to the index page, not this page. All right, so we're going to open up the index page. We're going to create an index page from there to here. Okay, then I'm going to minimize that. I'm going to scroll down. Here we go. And then we're going to click to the right of the Alaska National Historical Sites link right here. We're going to hit the space bar, and then we're going to put in a vertical line, so that's shift backslash, and then another space bar. All right, so then what I want you to do, I want you to select the space that you just typed and the vertical line and the other space, just that. And I want you to delete where in the link box where it says historicalsites.htm. And then we're going to click after again, where we just put in that space, vertical line space. And then we're going to type featured monument. Okay. And then you're going to select that text. And then you're going to drag, I'm going to open up my files panel again, and you're going to drag that link to the Aniakchak page. Okay. And then we're going to click the save button. Now, I do want to say that if you don't have enough space, like this doesn't look very good where it's on 2 lines. So what you can do is click the entire, click down here on the tags line, and you can make this a little bit bigger. It's not in, it's not doing that for me. Oh, you know why? Because we already set the width. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just click in front of this Alaska National Historical Site. I'm going to hit Shift Enter. There we go. And that looks a lot better for my links. Okay. All right, I'm going to save again. I'm going to go to the F12 page so I can check my link. And I want to make sure that featured monument link works. Now see, that's probably just because, there we go. Okay, so featured monument. There we go, and it went to my Aniakchak page. All right, so I'm going to close that. And that's it. That's all we're doing. We're done with the step-by-steps for chapter 5. Okay, so now what we're going to do, if you look in your book, there's a bunch of pages here, starting on page 405, going all the way through to 407. It just has different CSS styles that you can use. If you want to look through that, that's fine. We're going to go ahead and skip through to apply your knowledge. Okay, so I'm going to and that starts on page 409. I'm going to switch to apply exercises for my site. And then I'm going to go in and copy any data files I need to. So I'm going to go to my files panel and my desktop and my web page design, data files, chapter 5, apply. Okay, so we have 3 pictures here we have to copy into our images folder. So I'm going to select all 3. I'm going to do a Control-C. I'm going to go into my last name folder, into my apply folder, into my images folder, and I'm going to do a Control-V. Okay, so now we have our pictures in there. And now I'm going to refresh my files panel. And you should see those new pictures that you put in. Okay. So we're going to create a template and apply it to a web page. So I'm on page 410. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a blank HTML template. Okay, so I'm just going to do File New. Okay, now don't forget, you have to change it to blank template, HTML template, click Create. Okay. Now, when you save it, you want to name this apply.dwt. And then over here in the Files panel, this should show up as a template. Okay. All right, so we're gonna click on Page Properties. We're gonna put a background color in here. This time we're just going to use, let's see, where's the background color? I'm just gonna type in the hashtag here on step 3. It says hashtag 09F for my color. It's giving me the color code. And then I'm going to click OK. There's my background. Then I'm going to insert the banner.jpg image at the top of the page. So I'm going to click banner and I'm going to drag that up and we're going to put that at the top. All right, and then I'm going to click after the banner. I'm going to hit the enter key and I'm going to insert a 1-row 3-column table. Okay, so I'm going to go to insert table. It's going to be 1 row, 3 columns, a width of 50%. Okay, so that's good. Cell padding of 5. Okay, cell spacing of 5. And we're going to click OK. I'm going to center the table. So format, align, center. Okay. All right, then I'm going to type in the first cell, in the first column, I'm going to type student name. And then in the second cell, I'm going to type name of school. And then we're going to put an image placeholder in the third cell. Okay. So I'm going to go to the insert menu. I'm going to go to image objects. Oops. Sorry. I need to get out of there. Okay. So make sure I'm still there. Insert image objects. Okay. And then I'm going to choose image placeholder. And then we want this placeholder to have a width of 64 and a height of 32. And we're going to click OK. Okay. All right. Now, we're going to select the table. So if you click anywhere inside the table and you go down to your tags line, if you click table, it will select it. You need to make sure you see that black border around it. That means you have it selected. All right, so then what we're going to go do is we're going to make this editable. So I'm going to go to the insert menu. I'm going to point to template objects. And then I'm going to click editable region. And we're going to name this student underscore name. And then we're going to click OK. Okay, so now you should see that right here. We're going to put a title in the template of this template as Apply Chapter 5. Okay, and hit the Enter key. Okay, and then we're going to save it. Okay, so this is just a very simple template. We have it saved. Now what we're going to do is we're going to apply it to a new page. So we're going to create a new blank document. So File, New. This time it's just going to be a page, and it's just going to be HTML. And we're going to click Create. We are going to save it with the file name of apply underscore ch05.htm and hit save. Okay. We're going to apply the template to this page. So if you remember how to do that, we're going to go to our assets panel. We're going to go to our template button. We're going to click on the apply template, and at the bottom we're going to click apply. And there we go. Notice we have only editable region is our table. Okay. So you're going to type your name where it says student name. I'm just going to type my name. You're going to type your name of school, Moments High School. And you're going to delete the placeholder, and you're going to go back to your files panel, and you're going to bring in either the male or female image. Okay, so I'm going to bring in the female image. We're going to resize the image to 100 for the width, 100 for the height, and add a 2-pixel border to that. And it doesn't tell us to center it, so we won't center it. And then I'm going to save this. Okay. And then we're going to view it in our browser. So FN F12. See how it turned out. There we go. Looks nice. Okay. So that's what you should have ended up with using your template. And when you turn this in, I just want you to turn in your screenshot of your actual page. You don't have to turn in the template because I'll be able to tell if you did the template correctly from the actual page. Okay? You guys have a great day. Take care. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention. So you're going to finish this, and today you're also going to work on extend your knowledge and make it right. So don't forget, you have this page to do, and then you're going to be basically doing the same thing for extend and make it right. You're going to be completing 3 web pages today. Okay, that's part of your homework. And then copy and paste those screenshots onto a Word document. And then tomorrow you will have 2 pages from pets to do, and then you can turn the whole thing in tomorrow. Okay, have a great day.